Welcome to the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at D.Y.Patil College of Engineering, where technological innovation meets global competency. Established in 2001 and NBA accredited, our department stands at the forefront of electronic advancements that have remarkably influenced mankind's progress. Our vision integrates quality learning with cutting-edge technology, creating professionals who excel globally while maintaining strong human values.
The department has state-of-the-art infrastructure and well-equipped laboratories to ensure that our students have theoretical as well as practical knowledge. We are also having 3 active student chapters of prestigious professional societies such as IEEE, IET and IST to ensure that the students have exposure to industry trends, networking opportunities and professional development.
Our state-of-the-art laboratories include 2 prestigious centers of excellence. One in satellite communication sponsored by E&TC Pune, and another in Internet of Things in collaboration with Information Technology. Our annual tech events showcase innovative student projects developed through our project-based learning approach, where students gain practical experience with industry-standard tools like Multisim Proteus MATLAB, C++, Java, Python, MySQL, and Siemens semiconductor software. Students develop real-world solutions through our specialized PCB lab for in-house project development and our research lab for IC design, testing, verification, and validation. Strong industry collaborations with BSNL Institute of Satellite Telecom, PMS Robotics Research Center, Yashasvi Electronics, and IQBE provide our students with valuable internship experiences, with 134 students completing internships last year alone. Our department hosts active IEEE, IET, and ST student chapters, alongside specialized coding club, E&TC's student club, and Books and Beyond club that enhance students' technical and soft skills. With 6 PhD faculty members and a dedicated PhD research center hosting 15 research scholars, our commitment to academic excellence is unwavering. Our graduates are highly sought after in the industry, securing impressive packages of up to 16.5 LPA with an average of 4.5 LPA over the last 3 years. Our alumni excel across diverse sectors, from core electronics companies to IT giants, carrying forward our legacy of excellence. Our alumni excels in government sectors as well, such as IAS Mr. Omkar Pawar.
My name is Omkar Pawar. I am IPS officer of 21 batch and IS officer of 22 batch and presently serving as Assistant Collector Nashik. I am the proud alumni of our E&TC Department at D.Y.Patil Akurdi. Our department has not only strengthened my technical base, but at the same time it has also nurtured critical thinking ability in me, which in a way was beneficial for my civil service preparation.
Beyond academics, our students shine in sports competitions at university and state levels, embodying our commitment to holistic development. At D.Y.Patil's Electronics and Telecommunication Department, we don't just teach technology. We transform students into industry-ready professionals equipped to shape the digital future.